Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup and pair Sony Soundbar with a smartphone and the app. And to do this, first you will need to connect your soundbar to the power source and then turn it on with the remote. There's a power button right here, but before that also make sure there's batteries inside that remote. Then next step is to get your smartphone and then download app called Bravia Connect, which you can find on Google Play Store. So now we're gonna click on the app to open it, then allow all of the permissions you'll be asked from the app. Now when you're ready and the soundbar is properly connected to the power, you should be able to find it right here. Then we can click on the soundbar itself. It will download a few files. Now get as close as possible to the soundbar so it's detected by the smartphone. And here I should also mention to enable Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi on the smartphone as well. So I have Wi-Fi enabled and the Bluetooth is enabled as well. Now check the display of the soundbar and see if there's a blue light blinking. If it is, then we can proceed and click on the indicator is blinking. Then start the setting up process. And here what we need to do is scroll down our notification bar and accept pairing request. Let's try again. And as you can see, on the second try we've successfully connected app with that soundbar. Now we can move to the rest of the cable connection with our TV using HDMI or ARC. And that would be it for this video. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.